This is just a quick how to use this drill from a not very handy guy that really likes this because it's easy to use just for my little projects around the house. Super simple functionality. Real quick, all we need to do is we can swap out the batteries by just pushing down the tab, pulling it out, and then pushing it back in and popping it in. This makes it go, obviously, and we can make it switch whether it goes backwards or forwards just by this pushing this here. If it's over to the right, it will turn counterclockwise, take screws out. If it's over to the left, it will turn clockwise, make things go in. If you want to change the bit, we just push this button to the right, hold on, and it will loosen it. We can take it out, put the new bit in, push this back to the left, and then hold it again, and it will tighten down. It has 2 speeds. We could go 1 speed, and then second gear makes it go faster. And then we can just have a clutch if we don't want to tear something out. If we put it on 1, it won't even spin. Just any kind of pressure at all, it won't spin until we can push it all the way to 10. And then it even has a hammer drill function if we're trying to get something in that's really resistant. And that's really all there is to it. So thanks a lot for watching. If you're interested in this drill, there should be a link somewhere around this video.